Hi guys, today we are making करेले की खट्टी मीठी सब्जी and for that we will take some karela, potato and we will use lots of onion according to the amount of karela and potato we have taken. Now we will cut them in medium size like this. And for spices we will use red chili, turmeric powder and salt according to taste, and ginger, garlic, cumin and black pepper, mustard oil, jaggery and tamarind. Now we will make thick paste of these 4 ingredients. Now we will put all these ingredients into the pressure cooker. Now add all the remaining spices. Add mustard oil. Add salt according to taste. Mix well. Add some water. Close the lid of pressure cooker. Now on medium flame we will leave it to cook for 3 whistles. After that, remove the lid. Now we'll add our secret ingredients, tamarind and jaggery, to the recipe. Now on low flame, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now finally, our खट्टी मीठी करेले की सब्जी is ready to serve.